Hazrat Abdullah bin Waqid radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam prohibited eating the meat of a sacrificed animal after 3 days. Abdullah bin Abi Bakr says that he mentioned this hadith to Amra. Amra whereupon said that he had heard Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha say, in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, on the occasion of Eid al-Adha, some villagers came. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, keep the meat for 3 days. Then the companions radiyallahu anhum said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, people would make water skins from the hide of their sacrificed animals and store the fat. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, what has happened now? The companions submitted, you have prohibited eating the meat of the sacrificed animal after 3 days. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I desisted you because of those needy people who came then. Now consume the sacrificed animals, preserve them and give them as alms. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5076.